Now, when thinking about infectious diseases, it's interesting to look at the different types of human pathogens. So the pathogens are the things that cause an infectious disease. And lots of them are very, very different in their size. So I've got a diagram here which shows us all the sizes of the different types of pathogens which can cause disease in humans. So the very smallest ones are these prions, so that's just a protein molecule. They're very, very small, but they still can cause disease. The next one up is viruses. Viruses are very small, so they're not cellular, so they're not composed of cells. Viruses are very small, but pox, influenza or polio, they're caused by viruses. Going up even bigger, so these are, prions are less than a nanometer. Viruses are approaching the size of a micrometer, very small. Bacteria are made of cells, and they're very, very small cells. So, 1 to 10 micrometers is a very small cell. They're the smallest really type of cells. But bacteria can cause meningococcal or tuberculosis, or syphilis is another disease. Another whole kind of group of organisms called protozoa. They're not dissimilar in size, but they cause malaria. And you can also get a fungal disease. So ringworm or athlete's foot are caused by fungi, and fungi are often not very big either, but they can get to 100 micrometers. So there's lots of these very teeny tiny small things which cause really bad diseases in humans, these really bad pathogens. But you can also get really big things. So this is the egg of a hookworm. So there's these worms which are kind of centimeters long, and all the way up here you can get these other types of roundworms and tapeworms, and they can be meters long, living in you, robbing you of nutrients and causing you all sorts of trouble. And some worms are estimated to infect like over 1 billion humans on this planet. And so that doesn't strike me as a very nice thing, having a meter-long worm living in you. Ugh. So that's all about human pathogens, and some of them are very small, like prions or viruses, and bacteria are pretty small too. They cause heaps of trouble, but some of them can actually be really, really quite big, meters long, living in your gut. And that's all about the different types and sizes of human pathogens.